In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collect a user's location in Jotform Cards using the geolocation feature. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click plus, create, select form, choose start from scratch, and then select the card form layout. In the form builder, click add element from the left panel. Scroll through the available fields and add the address element to your form. Click the properties or gear icon for the address field to open its settings. In the right panel, stay on the General tab. Enable autocomplete to let users quickly select their address from suggestions. Then, turn on the geolocation option. This allows the form to detect and fill in the user's current location using their device's location services with their permission. Click Preview Form in the top right corner to test the feature. When prompted, allow location access and verify that the address field is filled automatically. Once you're happy with the setup, publish or share your form as usual. That's how to collect a user's location in Jotform Cards using the geolocation feature. Thanks for watching.